It's Thursday, the 20th of July, and last night I sanded these ash, what do you call it, Tasmanian oak, hardwood beams that I'm going to use for the windowsill. I've cut to size. They're 65 by 25 and those, sorry, by 45. Those are 45 by 45 millimeter square. And these things over here are for under the these four are for under the floor over here. Two in here, a thick one, 45 by 45, and a sort of 25 by 45 one. So it's going in there, and same in on the other side. And unfortunately my sander is broken, so I've got two more 45 by 45s sitting here, but the sander has blown its top, or virtually blown its top. I just stopped it before it started to smoke and something loose in it. So yeah, that's as old as the hills. It's Jim's thing. Yeah, which is unfortunate for the sander, and I've got to do the rest of them hopefully tonight with something else. Yeah, so what else have we got to do? By the way, that's my new fridge. There's the old one below it, but I could only use about this much of the space because it stops about there, you know, on the old fridge. The new one's got substantially more room, so yeah, won't have a problem putting bottles of milk and stuff in there, and anything else I want. So that goes in here. And these thin things that I'm painting, I'm being a bit finicky, but I've painted that one there already. And they're going to slide up along here. Yeah, so that's where they're going. And to put the windows in, I have to put the window sills in. I have to unscrew them, this along here and along the top there. So I basically have to pull this window out, and I'll clean all this off around here and silicone it back in and screw it into the windowsill. So that's a bit of work. Yeah. Okay, well that's all for now.